Today I'm going to provide a review of the Dark Titan EA, one of the many profitable dark EAs we are trading. I'll compare the backtest results with my real results and see important statistics such as win rate and profit factor, and we'll compare between the real results and the backtest and see how we feel about how it's trading. I'll also provide the settings files that I used at the end of the video, so stick around for that. So first of all, let's just take a look at the expert advisors. So I'm on the distributor's website. We can see that these are popular EAs, the dark EAs. There's over 1 million traders using them and many positive reviews. We are going to be looking at the Dark Titan here. So if we just go down, you can have a look at the website for more information here. We can see a great backtest here. I'll show my own backtests. And we can see it's quite a cheap EA, relatively speaking. So it's $99, or if you want some extra licenses, it's $149, and that's a one-time lifetime payment. And so you also get this indicator included. It's relatively cheap expert advisor. So if I move on and show the backtest, it is meant to be traded on 3 pairs. So the Aussie CAD, the Aussie New Zealand dollar, and the New Zealand dollar CAD. And we can see that my backtests over 7 years are very, very good. So they're pretty similar to what's shown on the website. Now I've chosen not to actually trade the third pair. It was a good backtest, but it just wasn't as good as the first two. So I'm actually only trading these 2 pairs. And once I get a suitable number of trades and see performance similar to the backtest that I've done, then I'm happy to start moving those to live accounts. So this is the Dark Titan on the Aussie CAD, and we can just see a few examples of trade. This is the M1 time frame, so this is moving pretty fast. So we can see this is all the same day. Looks like a long period, but actually it's pretty quick. It's trades on the M1. And so we can see we've gone for a sell short position there, and we've taken a profit. We're currently in a short position. If we go back here a bit, so again, this feels like it's been a long trade, but it's probably just a day or two really, which is a pretty long trade for the Titan. It does tend to make short quick trades, but we can see we've gone for a short trade there and it's gone for a profit. If we just go back a bit, we've got a short that's gone for a loss there, and then we've got a bunch of trades here. So we've got a short that's gone for a profit, a long that's gone for a profit, a long that's gone for a profit, a long that's gone for a profit, a short that's gone for a profit. We've got a long that's gone for a profit. It's a high win rate strategy. There's another long that's gone for a profit. So we can see that it is making many, many trades. If we just go back a little bit further, again, we can see some more short, it's taking a profit, long, it's taking a profit, and there's another short that's taking a profit. So yeah, it's a very high win rate strategy. Now let's have a look at the FX Blue statistics. Both of these expert advisors are trading with magic numbers. So this one's trading with 160,000 and the Aussie New Zealand is 170,000. So we're going to use those magic numbers to have a look at the statistics on FX Blue. This is the overall account for all of those third-party EAs. And so we can see that generally it's pretty stagnant at the moment, but there's some EAs that have been performing well, some not so much. I use it to incubate. So let's go and have a look at the statistics. So we can see here that we've got 183 trades for the one of them and 150 for the other. So we've got lots of trades, which is very, very good. We need a certain number of trades to have any faith in our statistics. So that's good that we've got enough so we can kind of have reliance on this. So first of all, let's just take a look at 2 important numbers. We've got the profit factor. Let's also have a look at the win rate. And I think that's probably enough for now, right? So let's just have a look, because we can see it's trading in a reasonably linear fashion. I would want a similar profit factor and see a similar win rate and it to be moving in the same kind of manner. And so we're about 80% and 1.8 there, and 1.6, and again, close to 80%. Let's have a look at the FX Blue stats. This one's actually higher profit factor, 2.7 and 1.25, but they're both reasonable profit factors, and the win rate is very similar too. Both of those are around 80%. It looks to be trading pretty similarly to how we have backtested it. Let's maybe have a look at the actual chart. So we can use FX Blue. If we go and use the filter, let's have a look at 160,000 and only look at that. Yeah, so we can see that's pretty good. It's gone up linearly. It's had a bit of a stagnant period and it started going up again. Pretty happy with that. Let's have a look at the 170,000, which is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Even better, pretty linearly up. And we can also look at at the kind of combined stats of just these two. 160,000, filter that out, and there we go. We can see the balance line there. We can see the number of trades. Yeah, we can see one's trading a little bit more than the other, but pretty even. 80% win rate, 1.43 combined profit factor. It's looking very good. I might mention that for anyone interested in a quick way to review many expert advisors results, you should check out the new VIP club of the Academy. This has many single expert advisors trading on many different types of accounts, so different brokers, prop firms, different EAs, demo live, and it gives real and transparent FX Blue verified trading results. I'll show a quick example. This is actually me logged into the VIP account, and we can see here that's some demo accounts. We've got some challenges, we've got some instant funding, live accounts. We've got Waka Waka, we've got Market Master. So it's like a single EA with the track record that you can click here, and it will take you to FX Blue linked results, and you can see its performance, how many trades, how many days, what's its gain in 30 days, what's its total gain. So there's a lot of very good information here from many robots, and that's part of the VIP club. The opening link is here. We'll put that in the description, so you can join it for 149 euros a month. There's much more value than just those tables, so I'd encourage anyone to check out here for the extra value. And so what do I do now? There's great results here. I'm very happy with the demo results. They match my back test. So now that we have great demo results, the next step is to trade these expert advisors with live funds. For this, I've chosen Eightcap, as they are a highly reputable broker with excellent trading conditions. Check out the broker review here on the Academy website. There's a trusted brokers page. We'll put a link in the description to that. And Eightcap, there's a review here, and you can open an account through this link. So I'd encourage anyone to check out the Eightcap review and see if you like the look of that broker. Now, I'll be putting this onto that, so I'd encourage you also to review the results as they go. And I'm going to open a $1,000 live account as part of the Trading Academy's 100K project. Check out other videos. I would highly encourage that, because there's lots of great EAs out there, and they get a very real and transparent test through this project. Now, I said I would share the set files, and these can be downloaded from the link below. However, these are actually the vendor default settings, which is always great since the risk of over-optimization is much reduced. Please also see the video reviewing this excellent Waka Waka EA from Valerie Trading. Trade safe, and bye for now.